Hello people, my name is Dis and welcome to the Internet Nomad Academy. Okay, before we start, please subscribe to my channel to see any further review videos that I'll do, and please leave a comment down below to let me know what you think about this video. So today I'm going to be talking about Funnelize by JayKay Dowdall. We'll just quickly go through the sales page. So the headline is, let me show you the 8 crazy profitable funnels that anyone can create to build leads and drive sales without any experience. We'll just go down. So it's 8 funnel blueprints to follow, including case studies and live demos of each. Over 35 training videos included, over 25 cheat sheets and PDFs, 4 case studies and walkthroughs of every funnel. Learn to build your email marketing lists like the pros. Newbie friendly from beginning to end. So yep, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. We'll go down. So just wanted to go down to the bonuses bit, so we can see what else you get with the front end. Okay, so yeah, 4 amazing bonuses for free. Perfect lead magnet training, email marketing training, retargeting training, and action takers blueprint. So that's just $37 for the front end. Okay, and that gives you all the training, all this training that you see here. Alright, let's just jump into the actual product itself and just have a look. Okay, so first thing you see on the training, you can tell it's a clean quality design. I think this must be made in ClickFunnels, so I could be wrong. But yeah, really like the look of this. You know, it's all laid out, everything's good, easy to, easy on the eye. You can watch it properly. And I have to tell you, the training, I know I've been through this already, so the training it's really good. I mean, it's made from the ground up, and it's all in order. So yeah, just the way it's laid out, it's excellent. You know, you can't go wrong, can't get lost or anything like that. You just go step by step. So we'll just have a look at the first bit. So the introduction, this is the introduction, and then you've got what is a funnel, why I use a funnel, and everything like that. And then I think JayKay goes through all the tools that what you'll need for this. I know he prefers ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is used by a lot of people, but it does go through all the other sort of page builders that you can use. Page builders for WordPress, other page builders as well. He also talks about his autoresponder recommendations. So I know a lot of people that who would come onto this would already have stuff like that. So he'll talk about it all, and he'll just tell you that you can use pretty much anything as long as they can do certain tasks. But like I said, he'll go through all of that. And then you come to the first bonus, which is the perfect lead magnet, which is excellent. It goes down to the problem, promise, and present, and it's really good. I mean, I have to admit, I mean, it makes you think about your audience. Gives you, makes you think how you're going to target them, and what kind of person would buy. What you want your content to see, and also, it comes up with, because once you follow the steps that he shows you, you actually get a really good sales headline that you could use for your, for your Facebook advertising headlines that you could use. It's really, really good, I have to admit. And that's actually the bonus, so it's definitely worth it. And then the next 2 modules, basically these are the compulsory ones. Funnel Gateway, which is, it's like the opening funnel that everyone would use. And you just go through everything. As you can see there, that's all the stuff that he recommends. So back to the funnel gateway. So you got introduction, opt-in pages. You just go through everything. And each of these I've got cheat sheets that you can download, and then and also the slides and everything that It's really thought about this product, you know. He hasn't left anything out on this. Really good, I have to admit, you know. I mean, he's really clear and concise. The way he delivers his training is just brilliant. Tripwire funnel. So this is like a common funnel that a lot of marketers use. Yeah, and it just goes through it all. I mean, it does refer back to this a lot throughout the training, so you know, I would definitely go through that. Go through this funnel because it's the basis of all the other funnels, including the funnel gateway as well. Again, you get cheat sheets. You can download all the images and the training. I mean, on average, a lot of these videos are about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes. So there's a lot to get through. And then basically once you've done that, you just go through everything else. You've got affiliate funnel, which I enjoyed. Mega funnel, you got webinar funnel, launch funnels. Even though you might not think, okay, I'm never going to do a webinar funnel, or I'm never going to do like a mega ticket funnel. I suggest you go through the whole thing, because you get little nuggets here and there that makes you think about how people put these things together, and it's just fascinating. It really is. And you know, it shows you the maps of it all, how you fit it all, where the emails go. It's just really good. I really like this training, this product. Yeah, so you know, just go through the whole lot. And it's going to take you a while. This ain't no quick thing. You need to, you know, spend some time doing this, and you know, just really soak in all the information that he tells you. And then after you've been through all that, which will take you a while, you know, it's going to take you. It's not going to be. You can be able to do it in one afternoon. Then you come to. So after you've been through all the funnels, then you come to the bonus number 2. Which is the retargeting training. Now this bonus is brilliant. I think this is absolutely awesome. It basically tells you and shows you everything you need to do to set up, like your Facebook pixels, your Google tags, then how to set up custom audiences, and then you know, just show you how you set up your retargeting advertisements. It's not Facebook ad or Google ads training per se. It shows you how to get started, how to set up everything. The actual ads is down to you, but you know, this one module alone is so valuable. I mean, I learned a lot because I didn't know really much about Google advertising, and yeah, it just really opened my eyes. And even the Facebook, I've only dabbled in that a little while, and going through the training here, I realised that I've set up things wrong in the past. So really valuable. This module alone is worth the whole price for me, as well as the lead magnet. How to find your perfect lead magnet and your perfect audience. And then you go to the email marketing. Again, this is the 3rd bonus. This is awesome. Talks about how you structure your emails. It's got some funky names to them all, like first kiss email, dating sequence, and basically, you know, first kiss email is all about your first email, and you know how, you know, and it just runs down the steps how you should structure it, how you should deliver it, and it really is absolutely right, because I think a lot of people, he does say in the training that 90% of marketers get this wrong, and I have definitely. And going through that, once I've seen this, there's no way I'm going back to the way I was doing it. So yeah, it's valuable as well. You know, really quality tips and content that is sharing there. Last of all is the blueprint, the Action Takers Blueprint, where it just shows you. It's kind of like a summary of the whole course, but it's also a checklist. So it goes through the whole process of what you need to do first. Then you need to do this one next, you need to do that next. Yeah, you know, it just goes through the whole process of what you need to do. And yeah, I mean, I don't want to go through it all because I think you guys need to jump in and have a look for yourself, but it's It's awesome training. You know, really, really quality stuff. You know, the slides that he uses, you know, really quality, and you know, it just, you know, it's brilliant. You know, it's a pleasure to watch, to be fair. And then also you get your 10x mastermind group, which, you know, the guys there in that Facebook group, they're there to help you as well. So, you know, it's a really great product. Also, Funnelize, that might not be available, wasn't available to me at the time. But I just want to go over the OTO that was available to me. So there was, usually I think the Funnelize is available whenever JayKay, you know, gives openings to it. But at the time when I bought this, it wasn't open, so couldn't get that. But there was one called the Funnelize Black Book, which is the OTO that you can get after you buy the front end. This is, again, awesome as well. Basically, it just gives you insights to all the top marketers out there. It gives insights to their funnels. So, you know, it talks about, you've got Sam Ovens, you've got Russell Brunson, Frank Kern. You know, you've got some big people here that are doing really, really well out there. And trust me, I mean, it's fascinating. I mean, the one, when I was watching the Russell Brunson one, I think I went through that funnel, you know, when I bought one of his books, and it is fascinating. You can go to each of the OTO pages. I think you can download the ad copy and the videos on each of these. It really breaks it down and tells you their thinking behind it and how, you know, how they put it together and everything. I mean, it just really is it's really worth it. I'll suggest you get that as well, because you're not going to get this kind of information anywhere else. I mean, these guys might never tell you, you know, personally themselves. So yeah, it really is worth getting. And like I said, there was a Funnel University. If it's available to buy it. It's basically a membership group, which they give you additional content, one-to-one feedback, live training, and other stuff that they've thrown in there. I mean, like I said, it wasn't available when I bought this product, so if it comes up, if I see it available, I'm definitely going to buy that. So there it is. That's the Funnelize product by JayKay Dowdall. Personally, 10 out of 10 for me. For the price you pay, you get a hell of a lot of training. It really is. I mean, this amount of training you'd expect to pay thousands for, really. $9.99, $9.97, sort of £1,000 to £2,000. It is a lot. He's packed it in, man, and he's clear, he's concise with his delivery. You understand everything, and he answers absolutely everything. Like one of the videos I remember going through, I think it was an email video, and I was thinking to myself, I ain't got experience to say that. And then he literally he said straight away, I know what you're thinking, you haven't got experience, but, and then he just started saying, you know, what I should be doing. And yeah, oh mate, it is brilliant. And it just, you know, just answers everything. And this is basically a full education course. This isn't some push button gimmick course. This is an education course. So you know, you're going to sit down, get yourself a cup of tea, and be prepared to learn all about funnels. Really, seriously, and you know, this is education. You know, so if you want to learn more about funnels, learn about how things are put together, you know, learn about email marketing, learn about well, it goes over the retargeting training, about, you know, ads and stuff like that. It's perfect. You can't get any better for $37. Trust me, you ain't gonna find any better training than this. Yeah, it's just amazing. And don't forget to get the OTO, the Black Book OTO, because that as well is brilliant. You know, just learning off these guys who've been marketing, you know, millionaires. the insights that you get from this as well. It's really, really worth it. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Definitely buy it. You won't regret it, trust me. For the amount you get, for the price it is, it's just phenomenal, really. Anyway, thank you for listening to my or watching my review. My name is Dis from the Internet Nomad Academy. Don't forget to subscribe below, and don't forget to leave a comment as well. Thank you. Cheers.